Hi again. So the next topic in probability is multiplication theorem or conditional probability. Conditional means it will be a fraction. Okay. The probability will be in fraction, that is conditional probability. So multiplication theorem. Okay. So P of A and B. P of A and B will be equal to P of A into P of B by A. So we can easily remember this thing as, this is multiplication theorem. Okay. P of 1 and B and 2. Okay. So this thing is nothing but 1 into 2 by 1. So 1 into 2 by 1. This is the thing here. P of A and B will be equal to P of A into P of B by A. So we can easily write like this also. P of B. So I am just taking 2 here. So 2 into 1 by 2. If 1 comes here means in the numerator there will be 2. If 2 comes here means in the numerator there will be 1. So this is the concept here. If they have asked 3 variables, what we can do? This is 1, 2, 3, right? So I'm just taking this as 1 and 2. I didn't put anything for C. So for 1 and 2, I will know the answer. 1 into 2 by 1, right? I know the answer. So this part, I'm just taking 1 and this part as 2. Okay, see here, this 2 parts, I'm just taking 1 and the C as 2. So what is the concept here? 1 into 2 by 1, right? So I'm just writing the 1. 1 is what? P of A and B. So that's a formula here. P of A and B into P of B is C by this one, A and B. Okay, you can easily understand this. This part is 1 and C is 2. So I can easily write P of A and B into P of B by 2 by 1, right? A and B. So I'm just considering this part as a whole and then doing this term. Okay, and then adding this term. So this part is 1 and this part is 2, like P of 2 by 1. Okay. So what is independent events? If 2 events are independent means it will be independent events. As you can see here, the independent event will be find means if the two events will be said to be independent events only if it satisfies this condition. P of A and B will be equal to P of A into P of B. Here the condition is not there. Okay, so P of A and B means P of A and P of B. Okay, so this is the thing here. If a condition A, if I put any events for A and B means I will satisfy this condition means I can clearly say that A, B are independent events. If A, B are 2 events, then P of A, probability for A and its inverse A complement will be equal to 1. Okay, so as we have seen like A inverse will be equal to 1, right, in the mathematics. Likewise here, P of A into P of A complement will be equal to 1. Next thing, P of A and B complement. Okay, so this thing will be written like P of A minus P of A and B. A and B means I need to remove the common thing here. Okay, what is the common thing here? A and B means this part, the common thing. So I need to remove the common thing. I will get only the A values. If A is a whole value and B is complement means I need to remove the common thing here, A and B. The only A will come here. In case of B means only B will come here. So what is the whole thing? What is the normal value here? B. So P of B will come here. Only B will come here. So for that purpose, I'm just subtracting the B minus the common thing. For this thing, the Venn diagram will be, this is A part, this is B part, right? Okay, this is a Venn diagram. So only B will come. This part. This is B, right? It is B and this is A. So only this part will come. And the fourth point, P of A complement and B complement, both are the complement. So I can easily write this thing as whole complement. Will be equal to 1 minus P of A union B. So see here, P of, this is intersection, but I'm just writing 1 minus union. Okay, means AB will be removed. The common thing of AB will be removed. The whole thing will come. Okay. Okay. Like you have some doubt, I think. These are A, B, okay. If I said the whole thing means it will be A union B. I need to consider A and B. If I said A and B, this is A and this is B, right? If I said A and B means I need to consider only the common. Okay, this is the thing here. Okay, if they have said P of A complement by B, okay, P of A complement by B, as we know in the condition thing, like P of A and B will be equal to, this is 1, this is 2, right? Which is equal to 1 into, so they have considered the second part, B part. So I'm just considering second part, 2 into 1 by 2. This is the probability. The same appears here. You can see here, I'm just bringing this P of B as here. Okay, so the same here. So for this condition, like you can see here, this is a formula, P of A complement B. So I can write the same here, but replacing the A as A complement here. Okay. So what is this thing? A and B. A complement and B means I can easily write this thing as, you can see here the formula, B is whole means only B will come, like P of B minus P of A and B. So that's the thing here. B is common, whole thing. So I'm just writing P of B minus P of A and B. Okay. So in this thing, I'm just dividing this P of B as separate terms. So you can see here 1 minus P of A and B will come. And here this term is what? P of A and B. So I can easily write like this. So what is the thing here is, P of A complement by B will be equal to 1 minus P of A by B. This is the answer. Okay, this is the thing. So this is the answer. So let's see some sums problems here. Two cards are drawn one after another without replacement. So they didn't replace, they are just taking the two cards here. What is the probability that first is king and second is queen with replacement? This is a card problem and it is a most important one. I just got this sum in the net, so I'm just telling this in this video, just only one sum. Okay, two cards are drawn, as I said, 1 and 2. So what is the probability that first one is a king and second one is a queen? King means 4 cards will be there. In 52 cards, 4 cards will be king, as I told these concepts in the previous video, right? So 52 things, 4 kings are there. So what is the probability? 4 by 52. If I take one card means there will be only 51 cards will be remaining, right? So out of 55 I need to take the 51, I need to take the queen. So 4. How many cards are there? How many queen cards are there in the 52 cards? 4 cards. So I'm just telling 4 by 51 because in 51 cards I'm gonna take the queen. If they said with replacement means If they said with replacement means the remainder will be 52, 52. Sorry, the denominator will be 52, 52. If they said without replacement means 51. That's the difference here. This is somewhat an important sum. Total probability theorem. There comes a theorem for the probabilities. Let me say B1, B2, these are the events up to Bn. So, a set of mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. Exclusive means and. The A and B are not occur together. Okay, together. It will not occur together. That is mutually exclusive. Okay, this is a common thing. And exhaustive events means both. We need to consider the both thing of sample space. Yes, so this is a set which contains A and B and intersection B and union B. Okay, whole event, that is P of B K. K means what? N will be, K will contain 1, 2, 3, 4 up to N, right? So this is what K. So probability of these events should not equal to 0. That is whole event. Okay. So the probability value of these whole events will not be equal to 0. So let me take A as an event. Okay. I'm just saying P of A will be equal to summation of I. I'm just including the value I here. I which is 1 to N. So I can say like P of B, I and A. Okay. This is the main thing here. P of A means intersection. I'm just adding the I value here. I which is equal to 1 to N into P of B, I and A. So in B and A, what is the common thing here? So this is a formula. So I can replace this thing as what? 1 and 2. So I can write like P of 1 into 2 by 1. Right? So this is the term. This is the formula. So I can easily write P of A will be equal to summation I equal to 1 to N. P of BI into P of A by BI. So let's see some problems. A factory has 4 independent units. So they have 4 independent units which produce, so they have separate units like cake, chocolate, like that. Okay, so they have separate units and the production will be 40%, 30, 20, 10 of identical items respectively. So they have individual items. The percentage of defective items produced by these units, so these are the defectives. If I say cake is 40% means I can say 2% will be the defective. Okay. So if an item is selected at random, so they are selecting the item random, find the probability that the item is defective. I need to set that item is defective. What are the possibilities they are asking? I'm just taking the units, 4 units as B, C, B, A, B, C, D. Okay. So defective is M. I'm just taking this defective as M. Okay. I'm just telling P of M will be equal to common things to defective and A. So A and M, B and M, C and M, D and M. You can see here these are the common things compared to the item and the production and the defective. So what's the formula here? 1 and 2 means 1 into 2 by 1, right? I'm just applied the formulas here. And P of A is nothing but 40. B is 30, 20, 10. So you can see here 40. 40 means 40 by 100, right? So I need to put 2 digit before the point, 0.4. So 0.4, 0.3, 0.2, 0.1. And these are the defectives. 2%, 1%. So likewise 2 by 100 means I can write it as 2.2002. So 0.02, 0.01, here 0.5 and 0.25. So I'm just taking in these are in decimals. So I'm just taking the numbers as it is, 0.5, 0.25. So by doing the calculation, you will get the value as 0.01225. So this is the answer. Next thing, next formula means question. Box A contains 6 red and 4 blue balls. Box B has 3 red and 7 blue balls. 2 balls are drawn randomly from box A. So I need to take 2 balls from B and I need to place from A, and I need to place these balls in B. Now a ball is taken from B box. So what are the things means? A box is there, B box is there. So I just need to take 2 balls here. I need to place these balls in the B, and again I need to take 1 ball. So find the probability, that is the taken ball will be blue. Okay, this is the thing. So I'm just making a table here. Balls taken from A. So what is the thing? I need to take 2 balls, right? So the 2 balls may be 2 red or 2 blue or 1 red and 1 blue. These are the possibilities. Only 3 cases are the possibilities. I'm just going to find the probability for this thing. So you can see here the total balls for 6, 4, right? So I'm just going to write here. A box has 6 red ball and 6 blue balls. 6 and 4. Blue balls is 4. B has 3 red balls and 7 blue balls. So here, what is the probability? 2 balls are red. So I can easily take the red ball here. 6 out of 2. 2 is taken, favorable case, and 6 is the total. So 6 out of 2. 6 complement 2 by 10 total. Okay, by total values. Total is 10. 10 complement 2. The total is 10 here. So 6 by 10 is the value. You don't need to write the chord to like C2 and all. Just write 6 by 10. So you can get the value as 1 by 3. So I need to add these 2 balls in the box B. So box B contains 3 plus 2 is what? 5. 5 red balls and 7 blue balls. And again I'm just going to take the probability for the blue balls. What is the blue ball? 7. So 7 by 12. 12 means 7 plus 5 is 12. So answer is 7 by 12. And again 1 ball red and 1 ball blue. So I just going to take the 2 balls here. 6 and 4. 6 into 4. Just take the A box. 6 into 4 by total is 10. So you will get the answer as 8 by 15. And B ball contains, add 1 ball here, 1 ball here. So 4, 8. These are the things. Again, what is the meaning here? What is the thing here? So 8 blue balls are there. So 8 by 12. That's it. The same applies here. 2 blue balls. So I'm just going to take only the blue ball condition here. 4 by 10. And I will get the answer as 2 by 15. And again 3 red balls and 9 blue balls here. I'm just adding 2 blue balls to the 7. So I will get the answer. I'm just taking these probability as B1, B2, B3. Like balls B1, B2, B3. Then I can easily say this is E by B1. Right? This one is E by B1, E by B2, E by B3. So what is the thing is, I just need to multiply these two things. Okay. So P of E, what is the probability for an event? So this event should have only the blue balls, right? So which is equal to E and B1, E and B2, E and B3. So just write the formulas here. P of B is this value. P of B2, P of B3 is this value. Again, P of E by B1 is this value. Just multiply these two things. These two things plus. These two things plus. Again, plus. So we will get the answer as 0.65. Okay. Next, we are going to see the Bayes theorem. Probability of causes. There comes a formula here. Bayes theorems means bag. The sum will contain bag. So P of BK bar A. Okay, BK bar A. This is a conditional which is equal to 1. Just write 1 into the reverse. So numerator into the reverse here. By summation of total numbers. They have given B2, B3 means I just need to add all the numbers. This is a formula. So there are 2 bags of which first bag contains 5 red balls, 4 green balls, and again second bag contains these balls. The ball drawn at random, one of the bags. What is the probability that it is a red ball? So what I need to do is, there are 2 bags. Yes. So I need to give like in the first bag means 1. First bag out of 2 bags. And again first bag out of 2 bags. So I just write half here. It is clear? Yes. And then they have given the first bag has 5 red balls. So 5 by 9. And again 6 by 13. So we will find the answer, easily find the answer, red ball. It is found to be the red. What is the probability that it is obtained from second bag? So what is the thing? It is found to be red. So we have found all these things are red. But what is the thing is, I need to get the probability from second bag, which is nothing but the formula. We just gonna apply the formula here. Like 2 by summation of 1 plus 2. Okay, this is a formula here. You can see here, this is a formula. What is the favorable case? Will come to the numerator and the summation. So here the favorable case is second bag. So I'm just writing the second bag here and then first plus second. The values will be same. This is for first bag, this is for second bag. Just in a different manner. Second by first plus second. If the chances of selection of first bag, they have given the chances here. 1 by 3, 1 by 2. So as I said, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Instead of these things, just replace this 1 by 2 as 1 by 3 and this 1 by 2 as 2 by 3. So just replace these 2 things, you will get the answer. Okay. And the next sum, a bag A contains 8 white balls and 4 black balls. A second bag B contains 5 white balls and 6 black balls. Balls, okay. One ball is drawn at random from bag A and is placed in the bag B. So I'm just taking one ball in bag A and placing it in bag B. Now a ball is drawn at random from bag B. So I'm just taking the ball from bag B. It is found that this ball is white. So they have said the ball is white. Find the probability that black ball has been transferred from A bag. So just we need to put the table here as same we have seen in the previous sum. Balls taken from bag B, bag A bag, only one ball, so it may be white or black. The probability will be, they have said 8 white, 4 black, right? So probability will be 8 by 12 and 4 by 12 here. So these two things are clear, right? So up to this probability is finished. After that, I'm just going to add this white ball here. So bag B contains after addition. Okay. Probability of drawing white balls. So first we need to find the white balls. So they have said The white ball is drawing. White ball is taken. For that purpose, I am just taking white ball is what? 6. 6 by 12. 5 by 12. So this is the thing. Probability that black ball is transferred. So next we gonna find the probability for the black ball. So these two things are considered. So I'm just gonna multiply these two things and add it here. Like I just gonna use the formula here. This is P of BK. This one is P of B, like B1, B2. Okay. So the same applies here. A by B1, A by B2. So I can easily get the values. So here, this is the formula. So they have asked the possibility for black balls, right? Okay. They have asked the possibilities for black balls. So I'm just gonna take these two values. Okay. These two values. So I'm just writing the event as E. Okay. So P of the total event as PE. Okay. So P of B by E, which is equal to, I'm just applying the formulas here. This is what? Summation value. Here the total summation is P of E. Okay. P of B means I'm just taking for the black balls 1 by 3rd, 1 by 3 into 5 by 12. So 1 by 3 into 5 by 12. Is it clear? Yes. After that, P of E we need to find. It is total one. P of E. So here I am just taking, you can see here these two things, back B. Here I am just removing this black balls here. So what is the total? 6 plus 6 plus 5, right? So 6 plus 6 plus 5. This is the total here. So we can easily write like 5. Okay. So the total will be 12 plus 5 is 17. 17 by 36. So what is the thing is, I am just removing this black ball here and then add all the three things and I will get 17 here. So what is the answer? 5 by 17. Okay. And the next sum, the probability for a man to know the answer for a question is in an exam. So a man knows the answer means 1 by 3. If he don't know the answer means it will be 2 by 3. So they have given if he know the answer means 1 by 3, the probability. If he don't know the answer, but if he don't know the answer means generally if he don't know the answer means he will guess the answer, right? So the probability for the guessed answer to be correct, is 1 by 4. He answered one question and it is found to be correct. So what is the probability that he knows the answer? So we need to find the probability that he knows the answer. So I'm just taking two events here. Knows answer and don't knows the answer. Don't know means he had to guess. So guess means this one is knows answer and guess the answer. And A is what? Correct answer. So I'm just taking three events here. So knows answer, what is the probability? P of E1 will be 1 by 3. Next 2 by 3, right? Don't know the answer means 2 by 3. Okay. And here probability of A by E means probability of known answer means the known answers will be correct. So just write in ulta here. Probability of known answer to be correct. Known answers to be correct is P of A by E1. If it is E2 means guess answers to be correct, right? Guess answers to be correct. Here the known answer to be correct, they didn't give anything. So I'm just assuming it as 1. And here guessed answers to be correct is what? 1 by 4. They have given the term here 1 by 4. So probability that he knows the answer. What is the probability that he knows the answer? Which is ulta here. Probability of E1 by A. So first we need to consider that E1. So this is a main favorable case. So I am just adding P of E1 into P of A by E1. This is for the favorable case. And this one is total case. P of E1 into P of A by E1 plus another event. So just substitute all the values here and you will get the answer as 2 by 3. Then let's see Venn diagram here. In a town, 50% people read newspapers. The newspaper is A. Some A newspapers, 50% people are reading. 40% of people are reading B newspaper and 20 is both. So I need to write a Venn diagram here. A person is selected at random. What is the possibility for him to read? So a person is selected from random. What is the possibility for read? Okay. So they have said A as 50%, B as 40% and both 20%. So I'm just writing 20 here. A is 50. So just write 20 is the common. So I need to minus the common here. Then only I will get A alone. So 50 minus 20 is 30 and 40 minus 20 is 20 here. A alone, B alone. And this one is both. And then the whole value will be 30 plus 2 which is 70. Right. So this is whole 100. 100 minus 70 will be this area. Right. That area is nothing but 30. Okay, so they are asking the question at least one. So first one is what? At least one. Any one plus both. So what is the probability for him to read? So at least one he read the newspaper means I can easily say like at least one means any one plus both. Okay, at least one means any one plus both. Any one means what? Either 30 by 100 or any one. I need to take the whole 30 by 100, 20 by 100 plus both. Both is 20 by 100. Almost, at most one means no one, only one. No one plus only one. Here at least means we have to add both. Here or at most means no one plus only one. No one is what? A is this, B is this, the remaining part will be the no one. So remaining part is 30 by 100 plus only one. So you can take either A or B. I am just taking A here. 30 by 100 plus 20 by 100, you will get the answer. Exactly one. It is either A or B. So I am just taking A here. None means 30. Okay. Yes, none, no one. All are same. Next, at least one to happen. So we are going to see the sum which has at least one to happen. A room has 3 bulb holders. A bag contains 15 bulbs of which 5 are fused. So out of 15, 5 are fused. 3 bulbs are selected randomly to fit the holders. What is the probability that the room gets lighted? Okay, so they have given the room has 3 bulb holders. So 1, 2, 3. So we need to take 3 bulbs from 15 which should fit here and the room should get light. For the thing in the 3 holders any one has the light means the room will get lighted, right? Okay. So the room gets lighted means I can say at least one light should glow. Okay. Okay. So I can write this thing as 1 minus no light should glow. If no 1 minus no means it will be the positive one. Room gets lighted. So I can easily say 3 bulbs I needed favorable and 5 are fused. Okay, so 5, 3, 13. 5 complement 3, sorry 13, no 13, it is 3. 5 complement 3 and 15 is the total bulbs. So by doing this thing, you will get the answer. So almost the answer will be 15 minus 5 is 10, right? 10 by 15, 2 by 3 is the answer. Probability for a man to hit a target 1 by 3. What is the probability for him to hit the target at least once out of 5 chances? So man hit the target which has a probability 1 by 3. So what is the probability to hit the same target at least once? So these sums are come under at least one to happen. Okay. So they are asking what is the probability. It's dead easy actually. We have to find hit a target. They have given the probability hit a target. So 1 minus no hit means I will get the hit value, right? So I can easily write 1 minus not hitting in 5 chances. Hit means 1 by 3. Not hit means 2 by 3, right? So not hit means 1 minus 2 by 3. But they have given 5 chances. Just put this 5 on the power and you will get the answer. Next we gonna see some miscellaneous problems. Okay. A number is selected at random from first 200 natural numbers. So out of 200 numbers, a number is selected and they are asking for the probability that it is divided by 6 and 8. Like as we have seen, this is like 53 Sundays and 53 Mondays. We have seen that in a leap year concept. Just a previous video. Okay. So this leap year concept is very, very important. I have put a video here. So just see that video. I will give the link in the description. Okay. Okay. So it's like this 6 or 8. So I need to find whether how many times this 200 is divided by 6 and 8, right? So I'm just dividing this 200 here. I will get 33 as quotient. Here the quotient is 25 and the remainder is 2. Here the remainder is 0. So I have got 33 here. So if I divide 200 means it will divide 33 times, here 25 times. So 6, 3, 8. But here I need to minus the common thing. Okay, it's like P of 6 plus, this is an event. I'm just taking this as event. P of 6 plus P of 8 minus P of 6 and 8 means I need to minus a common thing. This concept will come here. 53 Sundays and 53 Mondays, right? So common means I need to take the LCM. The LCM is 24. LCM is nothing but what is the greater value here? Just this greater value should multiply by 6. If it is not means take the table. Like 8 2s are 16. It is not again multiplied. So 8 3s are 24. So 24 is multiplied by 6. So I am just taking this term as 24 as LCM. So this is the LCM trick actually. So LCM is 24. I am just dividing this 24 in this 200. The 24 200. So it will be 8 times. Okay, so I am just gonna minus this 8 here. It's a common term. So 33 by 200, 25 by 200 minus 8 by 200. The answer will be 1 by 4. Okay. Okay. Next sum. A point is selected at random inside the circle. I am just selecting a point randomly inside the circle. What is the probability that the point is closer to the center than circumference? This is circumference. In a circle, this this outer part is what? Circumference. And this one, inner part is center. This is center. So I am just saying this R as the radius. If I said the point should be closer to center means it should be inside this dotted circle. This dotted circle has a radius half of R. So I am just drawing another circle here which is half of R. So which is closer to center means the point should be inside the radius half of R. Okay, that's the thing here. So I can easily write the probability which is equal to area for a circle is pi r square. So first R is R by 2 and the second R is the whole R. So total case, this is the favorable case. So I will get the answer as 1 by 4. Next, in a certain college, 4% men and 1% women are taller than 1.8 meter. Okay, so taller than 1.8 meter, 1.8 meter. Furthermore, 60% or students are women, so they have given 1.8 taller meter. So the students who are taller than 1.8 meter, men's are 4% and women's are 1%. Furthermore, 60% are women's. Okay, women's. So 60% are women's among the students. A student is selected randomly and taller than 1.8 meter. Okay, so taller than 1.8 meter. So they have had said a student is selected randomly and that student is taller than 1.8 meter. What is the probability that the student is a female like woman? So we need to find the probability here. Simple. So they are comparing men and women, right? So student at men means E1, student at women in E2. So I have considered the two events here. And the main event is what? Taller than 1.8 meter. So this is the main thing. What is the formula? The formula will be I need to consider the probability for the women who are taller than A. So taller than 1.8 meter. This is the thing I need to find. So I can easily write the formula as 1 by 2. Like this is the formula. P of E2 into P of the ulta A by E2 by the total. Total means we need to add the whole thing. P of E1 and P of E2, right? So whole thing. Just substitute the value. We know the value E2. E2 means what? Women, right? So women's. Here they have given women as 60%. Then men will be 40%. So 60 by 100 and 1% or taller. So 1 by 100. Likewise 40 by 100, 4% or taller. 4 by 100. This thing is for men and this thing is for female. But we need to find only the female. So the answer will be 3 by 11. Okay. A coin is weighted so that P of H means probability for the head is 2 by 3 and tail is 1 by 3 is tossed. If head appears, then a number is selected 1 to 9. If head comes means I need to select a number from 1 to 9. If tail appears means I need to select a number from 1 to 5. So probability is 2 by 3, 1 by 3. I need to select these numbers. Find the probability of getting an even number. I need to find the even number from here. So 1 to 9 and 1 to 5. What are the even numbers here? 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4. So I can easily write 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers out of 9 and 2 numbers out of 5, right? So these are the even number probability. So first thing, probability of H into, so I can take this thing as probability of E. Okay, like this thing as probability of E by H. This is for head and this is for E by tail. So answer will be like P of H into P of E by H, right? Same again, TT. So I need to multiply this probability of H into the event plus probability of T into this event, and you will get the answer. And next term, a problem, a determinant is selected at random from set of all determinant order 2 into 2. So they are just going to select an order of 2 by 2 matrix like A, B, C, D, 2 by 2 matrix, and the determinant value for this 2 by 2 matrix, they are saying either 0 or 1. Only there are no other values, 0 and 1. What is the probability that the chosen determinant is positive? I need to find the determinant should come as positive values, positive value. So I am just taking the determinant as A, B, C, D. A matrix is A, B, C, D. What is the determinant value? AD minus BC, right? AD minus BC. I need to get only the positive values. Positive value means greater than 0. Means only possibility I need to get AD as 1 and BC as 0. If the product of AD is 1 and if the product of BC is 0 means I will get the value 1 which is greater than 0. So I need to put AD as 1 and then BC as 0. This is one possibilities. Another thing, I can put here 1. This is also a possibility. Another thing, I can put 1 here and this will be 0. This is also a possibility. So A, this portion is A and D. So A and D always I put 1. Okay. And this thing I need to get 0. If I put 2 zeros here, I will get BC as 0. Again 0 into 1, it will be BC as 0. Again 1 into 0, BC as 0. So I have 3 possibilities. So I can easily say 3. By 16. 16 is nothing but ways. How can I find this? Just again consider the same matrix here. So what I said in this question, either 1 will be there or 0, right? 0 will be there or 1 will be there. Again this portion 0 will be there, 1 will be there. Again C portion 0 will be there, 1 will be either 0 or 1, right? So there are 2 values. So I am just writing 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 16 ways. So I am just putting this 16 here. Next sum, a quadratic equation. What is a quadratic equation? X square x plus constant which is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Is selected at random from all possibles whose coefficients, these are the coefficients, A, B, C are the coefficients, okay. The coefficients are distinct, different and or selected from the set these things. So these numbers, they have given a numbers. We need to select A, B, C from these values and these should be distinct. So we can't select the same values for, so I can't select A as 2, B as 2. So we can't select the same values here. We need to select a distinct values. What is the probability that chosen quadratic equation to have a equal roots? So they are asking as the equal roots. Normally we gonna find the roots as b square minus 4ac by b square plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, so this is the formula, b square plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, right? This is the formula. So they are asking this equal roots, this one alone, equal roots. So I'm just gonna say like this term as, if I consider the equal roots means it will be square root of b square minus 4ac, right? So I'm just equating this is to 0. So what I will get, b square minus 4ac will be equal to 0. So b square will be 4ac, right? So this is nothing but the equal roots. First I need to find the total ways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So out of 7 I need to choose 3 things, 3 coefficients. So I can easily write 7p3. right? 7 total cases and favorable cases are 3, right, in the possibilities. And equal roots means, as I said, b square minus 4ac. So this is the thing here, b square minus 4ac. Sorry, b square which is equal to 4ac. So I just found two possibilities here. Like if I put b value as 6 means 6 6 are 36, which is equal to 9 4s are is also 36. So I can easily write 4 into this is AC or this is AC. So AC, A can be 1 or 9, C can be 9 or 1. So these are the only possibilities. So two possibilities are there. So 2 by the total 7p3. This is the value for the probability of equal roots. And there comes a note here. If P of E, so if I said E as event means, so P of E will be equal to M by N. If they say it like this means, odd in favors of E, odd numbers in favors of E will be, I can write it like in the ratio M is to N minus M. So first single and then double. Odd means first single, like favorable means first single and then double. Okay, M is to N minus M. Okay, next one, odd against of E, against E. Odd against E means double is to single. The same, N minus M, M. If I take this as A by B means the answer will be A is to B minus A. Same here, B minus A is to A. So this is a term here appears. Okay. So let's see a problem related to this note. The odds are 2 to 5 in favor of A. To solve a problem, so they are giving odd numbers 2 to 5, which is a favor of A event to solve a problem. Again 3 to 7 against B to solve the problem. Okay, so they are giving favor to A and against B. What is the possibility for problems to be solved? So I just need to solve the problem. I'm just taking, I know the ratio, right? Favors means single and double. So M is to N minus M. What is the value here? 2 to 5. 2 is to 5. So they have given 2 is to 5 here. Again, against means double to single. So double to single, 3 is to 7. So I have write the ratio here. From this ratio, I can easily say, I'm just comparing these two things and these two things. M is 2 and if M is 2, I put 2 here means I will get the N value as 7 and again this one. So I just got N values for both the cases. So I can easily write, we know P of event will be equal to M by N, right? So P of A is 2 by 7, P of B is 7 by 10. So we have found these two things. Then what is the possibility? Possibility to solve the problems means 1 minus, means see here, 1 minus, I just need to minus this thing, like I just need to minus this probability of A and probability of B. I'm just taking this one as 1 minus probability of A. Okay, and again 1 minus the probability of B. The remaining part, 1 minus probability of A is nothing but A complement, right? So the formula is 1 minus probability of A complement into probability of B complement. So I can write this thing as 1 minus of M by N into 1 minus of N by M. So just multiply these things, you will get the value like this. N minus M by N, N minus M by M. So we know the values here. This is for A and this is for B. So what is the N minus M for A? It is 5. So 5 by the total, like the N is 7. Again, just substitute the value and you will get the answer. The main important thing here is problem to solve the problem. Probability to solve the problem is just find P of A and P of B. Then just find the P of complement A and complement B and then subtract it from 1 and you will get the answer for probability for the sum to be solved. Okay, so up to this I have completed a few problems, which is some miscellaneous problems and like some problems and some theories and some formulas. So do watch the movies, do watch the videos. So these videos will give you an excellent concept and a clear idea about the probabilities. So do watch the movies and let's complete the engineering mathematics. Thank you so much for watching the video. Bye.